The Path to Freedom, a blueprint on how to become a freelancer. Welcome to this special discussion on how to become a freelancer. If you're looking to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and embark on a journey of independence, this unique transcript will guide you through the steps and insights needed to become a successful freelancer. Becoming a freelancer begins with self-discovery. Before you jump into the world of freelancing, take some time to reflect on your skills, interests, and passions. What are you good at, and what do you love doing? Freelancing allows you to capitalize on your strengths and turn your passions into a career. Once you've identified your strengths and interests, it's time to narrow down your niche. Freelancers thrive by specializing in a specific field or industry. This specialization not only helps you stand out but also attracts clients looking for experts in their particular domain. Freelancers need to continually invest in their skill set. Identify the skills required in your chosen niche and work on honing them. Whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or any other skill, ongoing learning and improvement are essential to stay competitive. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your skills and past work. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential clients and fellow freelancers. A well-crafted online presence can make or break your freelancing career. To kickstart your freelancing journey, consider joining reputable freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms provide a ready-made marketplace for freelancers to find clients and vice versa. Carefully craft your profile and proposals to make a strong first impression. Clients often want to see evidence of your skills and past work. Build a portfolio that showcases your best projects. Even if you're just starting, include personal projects or volunteer work that demonstrates your abilities. A compelling portfolio can help you win your first clients. Networking is a freelancer's secret weapon. Attend industry events, webinars, and online forums to connect with potential clients and collaborators. Building relationships in your niche can lead to referrals and partnerships that can boost your freelancing career. Pricing your services can be tricky. Research market rates for your niche and adjust your pricing based on your experience and expertise. Don't forget to factor in taxes and business expenses. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure you manage your finances wisely. Managing client relationships is critical. Clear communication, meeting deadlines, and exceeding client expectations are key to building a positive reputation. A satisfied client can lead to repeat business and referrals. Freelancing can be unpredictable. Be prepared to adapt to changing client needs, industry trends, and market conditions. Staying flexible and open to new opportunities is vital for long-term success. In conclusion, becoming a freelancer is an exciting journey that offers independence, creativity, and the opportunity to do what you love. It requires self-discovery, skill development, and a strong online presence. Networking, effective client management, and adaptability are essential for thriving in the world of freelancing. Remember that freelancing is a path that rewards dedication and perseverance. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and continue to evolve in your chosen niche. With the right mindset and determination, you can craft a successful and fulfilling freelancing career. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards freelancing independence. We wish you the best of luck in your endeavors. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye.